Yeah, hi George, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, I've done a part for you. I've made you up one of the best parts, okay, which is like absolutely minty. So you've got a 1254 there as promised. All your parts are, they're used, but they're in very good condition. You've got a new spindle on there, by the way. Okay, so the spindle is all working good. And on the back you've got version 6.8 software, which is the latest software you can get. So this is like basically top notch, as you're going to get for the price. So I will power that up for you. It's had a new laser in there for you as well, and obviously you got a 6-month guarantee on this whole part. Okay, it's a used part, but I'll give you the warranty on it. To make sure that you're very happy. So let me just turn this up. Okay, you're gonna have to listen carefully because my headphones are absolute junk. So you should be able to hear that. Got that going for my rig there. So basically this should just fit in with that part, the part that you showed me in a photo. You've got like a black cover that goes over this. Okay, so you're gonna have to gently remove that off of your part, and just remember where the screws go in, because that slips into the other unit that you need to put this into. Okay, so these only come as bare bones when you buy them. So you can hear it all playing there. If I go up a couple of tracks, I'll go up a couple of tracks for you. So that's all good to go for you. So I'll get that sent out for you. That'll go out tomorrow. It's Monday tomorrow, so you should have that Tuesday. I'll only send that special delivery for you as well, okay? Because obviously, Christmas post and stuff like that's probably getting slow now. So I'll get it to you. So thank you very much, George, and you have a great New Year and a great Christmas, and stay away from that deadly Omicron virus. Look after yourself, buddy. You have a great Christmas. Cheers, buddy.